What is Goliath? Goliath is a blended protein comprised of undenatured, native whey, and casein protein. Whey is fast-acting, quickly metabolized, and is great post-workout for a speedy recovery, while casein is metabolized slowly and promotes long-term recovery. The combination of these two different types of protein gives you the advantages of each in one supplement. It is versatile and can be taken at any time because of the variety of quickly and slowly metabolized proteins. For example, it has the ability to bombard lean body mass quickly with amino acids after workout, yet it can also provide the body with the nutrients in a slow release fashion over an extended period of time, like while you sleep at night as well. In one serving of Goliath, there are approximately 500 calories, 27 grams of protein, 96 grams of carbs, and 1.5 grams of fat. However, 2 servings are typically consumed for those who are looking to expedite their gains, which amounts to 1,000 calories, 54 grams of protein, 192 grams of carbs, and only 3 grams of fat. Goliath also contains branched chain amino acids and glutamine.